Hello, to check on-screen time on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll all the way down, and right here you have the digital well-being and parental controls. You have to go in here, and this tab right here is basically our on-screen time, so we have to go in here, and here we can select the period of the on-screen time. What is it? That's the smart switch. We don't want the smart switch, we want the dashboard of the screen time. Alright, and here we have the period. We can set the day to have the preview of our screen time. Right, there is the screen time, the total amount of the time, and here we can also view all applications we've been using and for how much, as you can see, for how much time. The next thing are the notifications, and basically we can see how many notifications we got on the particular day, and you can see which applications had and how many notifications they gave us. And right here at the last thing we have is the amount of unlocks at each day. So for example, today I unlocked my phone 5 times, and yesterday I did it 46 times. So as you can see, yeah, that's all about the on-screen time right here. Thank you for watching.